Welcome, online entrepreneurs and aspiring moguls, to our discussion on proven smart money tactics to boost your earnings online. In this digital era, the online space is not just a platform for entertainment or socializing. It's a vast marketplace, brimming with opportunities for those who know how to leverage it. Our focus today is on smart money tactics, strategies that successful online entrepreneurs have used to generate consistent passive income. These tactics aren't just about making money, they're about making your money work for you. They involve leveraging affiliate marketing, engaging with audiences on the right platforms, and utilizing effective marketing solutions. Whether you're a seasoned online entrepreneur or just starting out, these tactics can be a game changer for your online earnings. The journey to financial success online isn't always easy, but with the right tactics, it's definitely achievable. Now, let's delve into the specifics of these smart money tactics that can transform your online earnings. Our first smart money tactic revolves around the world of affiliate marketing. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is affiliate marketing? In simple terms, it's promoting products from various companies and earning a commission on sales made through your referrals. Picture this: you're a middleman who connects consumers to products, but instead of a physical store, you have a virtual space. Your blog, website, social media page, or even YouTube channel can be that space. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that you don't need to create a product. You just need to find the right product that your audience will love and promote it effectively. Now, let's talk about the benefits. First, affiliate marketing provides a passive income stream. Once you set it up, it can generate income even when you're not actively working. Second, it's cost-effective. You don't need to invest in product development or inventory. But how do you make it work? The key is to select products that are relevant to your audience. If you run a fitness blog, promoting health supplements or workout equipment would be a smart move. Next, create compelling reviews. This is where your creativity comes into play. You need to convince your audience why they need the product and how it can benefit them. Promoting special deals can also boost your earnings. If a company is offering a discount or a limited time offer, make sure to share it with your audience. They'll appreciate the heads up, and it'll increase the chances of them making a purchase. Affiliate marketing is a game of strategy. It's about knowing your audience, choosing the right products, and promoting them in a way that resonates with your followers. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but with patience and persistence, it can be a lucrative source of income. Remember, the right product and the right review can make a huge difference to your earnings. Now, let's talk about the importance of selecting the right platform for your online business. Choosing the right platform is like selecting the foundation for your future empire. It's the base upon which you'll build your online presence, engage with your audience, and drive your business growth. Two such platforms that have proven to be effective for many online entrepreneurs are Wix and Teachable. Wix is a robust website builder that offers a plethora of design options, allowing you to create a unique online identity. With its easy-to-use interface, you can craft a website that reflects your brand's personality and appeals to your target audience. It's not just about aesthetics, though. Wix offers powerful SEO tools to optimize your site for search engines, improving your visibility and driving more traffic to your site. On the other hand, if your business revolves around sharing knowledge or teaching skills, Teachable might be your platform of choice. It's a platform specifically designed to create and sell online courses. With Teachable, you can create engaging, high-quality courses, manage your students, and even handle payments all in one place. But choosing the right platform is just the first step. To truly succeed in the online business world, you need to pair your platform with effective marketing strategies. This is where SEO and social media marketing come into play. Search engine optimization, or SEO, is a powerful tool that can help your website rank higher in search engine results, making it easier for potential customers to find you. It's like a beacon in the vast sea of the internet, guiding users straight to your virtual doorstep. Social media marketing, on the other hand, allows you to directly engage with your audience. By creating and sharing relevant content on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter, you can build a strong online community, boost your brand's visibility, and drive more traffic to your website. Remember, the online world is dynamic and ever-changing. The platform that works for you today might not be the best choice tomorrow. So, always keep an eye on the latest trends and be ready to adapt. The platform you choose can either propel your business forward or hold it back, so choose wisely. It's time to delve into the power of social media in boosting your online earnings. Social media has revolutionized the way we interact, not only with each other, but also with the products and services we love. It's a bustling marketplace, filled with potential customers waiting to discover your offerings. Let's take a platform like YouTube, for instance. It's more than just a hub for amusing cat videos and music clips. It's a goldmine for online entrepreneurs, a platform where you can generate income through affiliate links and product sales. By creating compelling videos and embedding your affiliate links, you can direct viewers to your product offerings. Each click and subsequent purchase means more money in your pocket. But of course, it's not just about posting videos and hoping for the best. It's about engaging with your audience. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, start discussions. The more involved you are, the more likely your audience will feel a connection to you and your brand. This connection can foster loyalty and increase the likelihood of repeat purchases. And then there's analytics tracking, an often overlooked but crucial aspect of social media marketing. These tools let you see who's watching your videos, where they're from, what else they're interested in. It's like having a crystal ball that tells you exactly who your audience is and what they want. Use this information to fine-tune your content to make it more relevant, more appealing, and ultimately, more profitable. Social media gives you the tools to reach out to a global audience, to share your products, and to build a brand. It's a platform where creativity and business savvy go hand in hand, where every post, every comment, every video is an opportunity to grow your earnings. So don't underestimate the power of social media in your online business. Embrace it, use it, and watch as it transforms your venture from a small online store to a global brand with customers from all corners of the world. Harness the power of social media and watch your earnings multiply. We've covered some powerful tactics today, but remember, the journey doesn't end here. We've delved into the realm of affiliate marketing, exploring how to select relevant products, creating compelling reviews, and promoting special deals. This is a proven method to generate consistent passive income, but it's only one part of the puzzle. We've also looked at the importance of choosing the right platform for your online business. Whether it's Wix or Teachable, having the right tools at your disposal can make all the difference. Remember, it's not about the fanciest features, but what works best for you and your business. Lastly, we've discussed leveraging social media. Platforms like YouTube can be lucrative for generating income through affiliate links and product sales. It's about more than just posting content. It's about engaging with your audience and using analytics to guide your strategy. With these proven smart money tactics, you're well on your way to boosting your earnings online. Until next time, keep learning, keep earning, and keep growing.